macro, macro, macro. Noun. Definition: a single instruction that expands automatically into a set of instructions to perform a particular task. Example: the entire analysis is performed by a single macro in an Excel worksheet. Noun. Definition: short for macro lens. Example: many also double as macro close-up lenses, very useful. Adjective. Definition: large scale, overall. Example: the analysis of social events at the macro level. Adjective. Definition: relating to or used in macrophotography. Example: your lens has a macro setting for shooting big close-ups.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.